From what an NFT is, to how to set up your wallet so you can access these NFTs, to the different NFT marketplaces you can use on the Ethereum blockchain, let's get into this. If you are absolutely 100% brand new to NFTs, and maybe you don't even know that NFT stands for a non-fungible token, and even at that, that may be foreign to you. If all of that is stuff you want to know or you are looking for, or maybe a friend is looking for and you're just looking for something to send to them to introduce them to the world of NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, this is the video for you. Leave a comment down below with absolutely any question you may have, and I'm not going to be like most YouTubers that just filter through and quickly heart all your comments. I'm going to try and take the time to respond to each and every single comment you leave down below. First off, hello. Chances are you're brand new to this channel and this might be the very first video that you're watching. So my name is Andrew, or on here I go by the Hustle Millennial. We make a ton of different entrepreneurial videos ranging from NFTs to cryptocurrencies, staking, passive earnings, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, and a whole lot more. In this video we're talking about NFTs for beginners, more in particular NFTs for beginners on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, we're not going to be telling you exactly what to buy because that never works, and you should never take that investment advice from anybody on the internet. Seriously, don't take investment advice from people on the internet. It's bad. You will lose money. It's just not good. Don't do it. So first off, what exactly is an NFT? Well, an NFT stands for a non-fungible token. Now, these non-fungible tokens are usually portrayed in the form of a JPEG image or a GIF or GIF video. These are basically tokens that are hosted by a blockchain. In this case, what we're talking about is the Ethereum blockchain. So I want you to think about a massive, almost infinite book filled with lines of code. Now, within these lines of code, there are unique identifiers which identify each and every single NFT, which means if you are one of those that just say you can right click and save an image, yes, you will have that image, but that image will hold no value because that image is stored on the back end on the blockchain, in this case the ETH blockchain, which we are talking about. Whenever someone creates, transfers, purchases, or sells one of these images that are stored on the blockchain, they have what is known as metadata. Now, metadata basically defines their properties and what these tokens are. Metadata can range from properties like clothing, skin style, hairstyle, headgear, eyewear. Any of those things are considered metadata, and they are hosted on the blockchain, which means the people right-clicking and saving your image do not have any of that metadata. They do not have that unique identifier on the back end, on the blockchain stored, which means they truly have a worthless image, while you, on the other hand, have something that is fully supported on this chain. It can be proved that it is yours. It is provably unique, as its token string or its string of code is unique to that image, to that metadata, and to the properties that NFT contains. That is a very brief overview of what exactly an NFT is and why you can't just save an image and have the same NFT as someone else. Alright, so let's go ahead and get your wallet all set up. Now, this is a completely free process. The only thing you really have to pay attention to is you will get a 12-word secret key phrase. By the way, this key phrase you should never ever give to anybody under any circumstances ever. I want to reiterate myself. No matter if you, even if you think you are talking to the lead developer on one of the biggest marketplaces for NFTs on earth, never give out your seed phrase or your 12-digit key phrase. You will lose everything in your wallet. You will not be able to get it back. It will be gone forever, and you will be big sad. Don't give out your key phrase. Anyways, we're going to be creating what is known as a Metamask wallet. Now, the Metamask wallet does also have the application on the Google Play Store and the iOS Store, so if you're wanting to do this from mobile, you are more than welcome to do that. We're going to be looking at the desktop version, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. So the link will be down below. What you're going to do is you're going to navigate to metamask.io. That link will be right in the description for you to make this easy, and you're going to go to download now. Now, once you hit download now, it is going to put it into your Google extensions, and you can open it and start the process. Now, a couple things you're going to have to do is actually write down your 12-digit key phrase, keep it in a secure place, because you're going to have to, for the very first time initially, unlock your wallet with that 12-digit or 12-word rather key phrase. Now, once you've done that, you will choose a password, which will be basically the frontline defense of your Metamask wallet. Choose a password, insert your key phrase, and you are good to go. It is as easy as that. Now, when you're wanting to fund your Metamask wallet, you can do this a couple ways. The way that most people do it is they have a Coinbase account. Anyone who invests in crypto really in the United States probably has a Coinbase wallet, as our wallet options are somewhat limited, and there are things like the Binance Smart Chain that we just don't have any access to begin with. Kind of sucks. Regulations are tight. So you can basically have funds in your Coinbase wallet, so you can purchase Ethereum directly from your bank account to your Coinbase wallet, and then from your Coinbase wallet you can send that Ethereum to your Metamask wallet. Now, when you're doing this, to get the address for your Metamask wallet, once you open it, and you'll see a picture of it right there on your screen, it will be on the very top of your screen. Now, I'm just using a proxy wallet for this instance, but you'll see it on the very top of your screen. That wallet address will be the one that when you're on Coinbase or whatever service you're using to purchase your Ethereum, you will insert that wallet address as your send to address. Now, like I said, don't send anything to this address. There's some people out there that try and send me things. That's just a proxy address on my side, which you shouldn't be able to see it anyways because it'll be blocked out. Regardless, that is how you create a Metamask wallet and then fund it with Ethereum. At this point, you should not only have a Metamask wallet set up, but you should have funds inside of your Metamask wallet. Now is the time to actually decide what NFT you want to buy into. And the one thing, I will repeat it again, never ever ever buy anything just because someone on the internet tells you to do so. You will lose horribly, you'll lose everything, and you will probably lose 99% of the time. Yeah, you might happen to hit that golden nugget, you might happen to spin the slot machine and get a winner, but it is not sustainable, it is not going to be profitable in the long term. So what we're going to do is there is two main marketplaces for Ethereum right now. Now in the next video we're going to go over Solana, and then after that we'll take a look at Cardano NFTs, each one requiring a separate wallet and a separate process to purchase NFTs. Ethereum really is beginner friendly, and it's the biggest kind of OG in the world of crypto and NFTs. Alright, so this is the OpenSea marketplace. Now if you are wanting to connect your wallet, it will prompt you if you go to the very top right of your screen, which you should see here, and click that profile icon. Now once you click that profile icon, it will instantly connect your address of the Metamask wallet that you're connecting to it. So basically your OpenSea account and your Metamask wallet will basically share an address, which means anytime someone wants to send you an NFT, they can basically send it to the same address that you sent your Ethereum to fund your Metamask wallet. That wallet address is completely interchangeable, and it will also work for Polygon, but that's for another video in it of itself. If you actually want to learn about flipping NFTs, that card right up there will help you learn how to make profitable decisions. It won't tell you what to buy, but it'll tell you how to make consistent profitable decisions to grow your bankroll or your crypto roll for this instance. So the top right will be a profile icon where you can choose things like your favorites list, you can favorite NFTs, your watch list, your different collections, and of course your profile in general. Now to the right of that, in the very far right corner, it will be a wallet icon. Now this is essentially the same thing as opening up your MetaMask Chrome extension. It will simply show you the funds that you have active inside of your wallet. So instead of opening the Google Chrome extension, you can just click on that button and it'll show you what is in your wallet. So if you click on profile, it will show you all of the NFTs that you currently have inside of your account. And if you are new to this, and I will be checking, if you have no OpenSea involvement or no OpenSea activity, you can leave your OpenSea name in the comments down below, and I will send you your very first NFT for free. That's right, for nothing. If you're brand new to this, I want to help you out. Leave your name or wallet address down in the comments below, and I will send you something within the next 24 to 48 hours. I have a backlog of giveaways, etc., etc. So now what we're going to do is, if you click on the Explore, you can then see all of the current collections that are listed on OpenSea. Now you always want to be careful for scams, and if you want to know how to avoid a scam on one of these marketplaces, I'll leave that card right up there, how to not get scammed. There are a lot of copycat projects. There are a lot of projects that copy projects from other blockchains, which will have never been listed on OpenSea before, so it may look very unique. Anyways, it's a whole process. People go through a lot of trouble to unfortunately scam others out of their money. So check out that how to avoid scams video if you haven't already. But this explore page will basically show you all of the collections that are listed. Now there are hundreds, if not thousands. So on the top, you can always use that search bar to search through items, collections, and accounts. And of course, on the home page, you will have your ever-changing featured NFT. You will have the notable drops or new collections coming into the space. You will have the top collections over the last 7 days, which you can filter to 30 days or 24 hours. And then you will have right below that the trending as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at LooksRare. Now LooksRare is currently my favorite NFT marketplace because, for one, the fees you're gonna pay when either buying or selling are actually less. They are about 20% less on LooksRare versus OpenSea. Now, not only are they less fees, but you also get a kickback for everything that you trade. So the 2% fees that you will pay on LooksRare will actually go into like a community pool, and I believe it's every few hours or once every 24 hours, everything you traded, you'll get a kickback directly in ETH or wrapped Ethereum. You'll get that kicked back directly to your rewards. So what I can do is I can actually log into my main MetaMask here, go to rewards, and I can show you that currently from between January 26th and today, February 4th, so about 8 or 9 days, I've got a kickback of around 0.156 Ethereum or around 462 US dollars. So I never ever would have earned that had I been using OpenSea and not LooksRare. So on LooksRare, it is almost the same as OpenSea. Your profile and everything will be on the top right. You can click that to get into your profile to view all of your NFTs. Now remember, your NFT wallet, Metamask, is what is connected to both. So that means you will be able to look at your profile on both LooksRare and OpenSea and see the same NFTs, as they are both connected to your wallet address or your Ethereum address, which is through Metamask. So on the top left here, you can see your rewards, you can see specific collections, or you can just hit Explore. And Explore, unlike OpenSea, where the OpenSea Explore takes you to a list of collections, the Explore on LooksRare will take you to just random NFTs which have recent activity. So recently listed, recently sold, recent offers made, so on and so forth. And of course, you have the home page, which does look somewhat similar to OpenSea, as they have the featured NFT here and the top collections over the last 24 hours. Okay, so at this point, you should know what an NFT is and be able to relatively describe it to someone. You should have your wallet open and ready to operate in whatever marketplace you choose. We have that wallet already funded, and if you're brand new to this, you have dropped that wallet name down below in the comments, because I'll be sending you a free NFT within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, above and beyond that, you should also have an idea of the top 2 competing Ethereum marketplaces marketplaces and have a little bit of an idea of which one sounds right for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Don't let the FOMO monster bite you in the ass, because it is going to try. Don't listen to people on the internet. Don't ever give your 12-digit key phrase to anyone on any platform, no matter who they claim they are. Don't care who they are, they will never ask for your key phrase if they are legitimate. Always keep hustling, stay profitable, and make sure to check out those other videos, because some of those are very, very helpful. If you want to learn how to flip an NFT, create an NFT, or avoid an NFT scam, that's right here on the channel. Also, if you're subscribed, you can put that notification bell on, and anytime we go live to do our NFT giveaways, which I have approximately 900 NFTs in the Metamask hidden section on OpenSea that I need to give away, means you have like a really good chance of getting something on one of our next live shows. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next video.